Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Mary. Today's videos guys is all about tutorial tayo. I'm gonna show you how to turn on ads for individual videos step by steps. So let's get started. So first you need to do is to download an apps at the Play Store. So we go to Play Store. Then in the Play Store, just type YouTube Studio. You click this. Then after that, we have already a YouTube Studio. Just update. Then open it. Then after you open our YouTube Studio, do you see the three line on the left upper corner? You click that, and then on the studio you can see dashboard, videos, playlist, comments, analytics. So we go to videos, click it. Then ating ads or individual videos. Tapos nakita nyo yung pencil, ito click natin siya. Yung pencil, tapos hanapin natin yung, kasi dito sa edit video makita natin yung basic info, monetization, then advanced setting. Then click natin monetization. Then after sa monetization, makita natin ito yung monetized with ads. Click natin siya. Ito lang, click natin. Yan. So yan siya guys, makita nyo na ito. Ito na yan siya. Meron siyang ad formats, display ads, overlay ads, sponsor cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, then yon ad breaks before video, and kailangan nakaset to. After video ito, kailangan lahat yan naka-blue. Then after that, kailangan natin i-save. Ayan siya guys, save natin siya. Ayan na siya guys. Hintayin na lang natin to na magkulay green ito. Yan siya. Pag once na yan siya guys, nag-green yan yung dollar sign. Automatic siyang nag-green. So siguro next time guys, so ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng multiple ads. So guys, it's so easy kung paano mag-turn on ng ads for individual video using YouTube Studio gamit ang ating Android phone. So hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng computer, kundi ang Android phones lamang. So next video guys, ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo is kung paano mag-turn on ads for multiple videos using a browser which is Chrome. So kailangan lang naka-desktop site siya. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button para po ma-update po kayo sa aking mga bagong videos na i-upload. Bye guys! See you on next vlog!